The first dinosaurs appeared during the Triassic period, approximately 230 million years ago. At this time, Earth's continents were still joined together in a single landmass called Pangaea. Early dinosaurs were not the gigantic creatures we often imagine. They were generally small and often bipedal, walked on two legs like Eoraptor and Eodromeus. For a long time, dinosaurs were not the dominant land animals. They coexisted with and were often overshadowed by other groups of reptiles and early mammal-like creatures. However, this all changed with the Triassic-Jurassic extinction event, a mass extinction that wiped out many of their competitors. This event cleared the way for the dinosaurs to become the rulers of the planet. The Age of Giants, the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. Following the Triassic extinction, the dinosaurs flourished and diversified throughout the Jurassic and Cretaceous periods. This 135 million year span is known as the Age of Reptiles, *. The Jurassic period, Pangaea began to break apart, and the continents started to drift toward their current positions. The climate was warm and humid, and lush forests covered the land. This was the era of the massive, long-necked sauropods like Brachiosaurus and Apatosaurus and the famous carnivorous predator, Allosaurus *. The Cretaceous period, the continents continued to separate, and Earth's geography began to look more familiar. This was a time of immense diversity. The largest predators, like the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, emerged along with a vast array of new dinosaurs, including the armored Ankylosaurus and the horned Triceratops. It's also during this period that birds, the modern-day descendants of dinosaurs, evolved from small feathered theropods. The Great Extinction, the reign of the non-avian dinosaurs, came to a sudden and cataclysmic end about 66 million years ago at the end of the Cretaceous period. This event, known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene (KPG) extinction, wiped out about 75% of all plant and animal species on Earth. The most widely accepted theory for this mass extinction is the impact of a massive asteroid, roughly 6 to 9 miles wide, that struck the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact would have caused an immediate, devastating shockwave and triggered widespread fires and earthquakes. The long-term effects were even more catastrophic. A huge amount of dust and debris was thrown into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and causing a global winter. This led to a collapse of the food chain as plants died off and the herbivores that fed on them starved, followed by the carnivores. While the non-avian dinosaurs vanished, many other forms of life survived, including mammals, birds, the descendants of dinosaurs, and various reptiles, insects, and marine animals. The extinction of the dinosaurs left a void that allowed mammals to thrive and diversify, eventually leading to the evolution of humans. The legacy of the dinosaurs lives on not just in the